Hello dear students, today we will continue with our chapter of English grammar prepositions. So prepositions with nouns, adjectives and verbs. Specific prepositions are usually used with specific words. This occurs in three categories: nouns, adjectives and verbs. So nouns and prepositions. Now whenever you use nouns and prepositions, you use these words. Next we have adjectives and prepositions, and then we have verbs and prepositions. Now whenever you want to use nouns and prepositions, so how will you use? Approval of, participation in, hope for, desire for, like this. And when you want to do adjectives and prepositions, then it would be afraid of, similar to, jealous of, married to, like that. And when you use verbs and prepositions, then you use apologize for, study for, look forward, care for or worry about. Now we have phrasal verbs. A combination of verb and preposition is called a phrasal verb. Now whenever you have a verb and a preposition together, it is called phrasal verb. Phrasal verbs are usually two-word phrases consisting of verb plus adverb or verb plus preposition. There are literally thousands of phrasal verbs. So you have already done this in class 7th. So here there are some examples given to you which you need to go through them. For example, catch up. Catch up is a verb and it means get to the same point as someone else. So example is also given. So please go through these examples, just have a look at them and do write this in your notebook so that you can come to know what it actually means. Just read all of them and go through it. These phrasal verbs will be really very important in future for you. Next we have is idiomatic expressions with prepositions. Now when we use idiomatic expressions with prepositions, how do we say? When we want to say the word agree. So for that, to a proposal with a person on a prize in principle. Next we have argue. Argue can be about what? About a matter with a person, for or against a proposition. Next we have is compare. Now when you compare to, we will use the word to show likeliness, with to show differences. Next we have is correspond, to a thing or with a person. After that we have is differ. Differ means how it is different. So it would be from an unlike thing with a person. Next we have live. At an address, in a house or city, on a street with other people. So students, here we complete our chapter. Try doing the exercise and I will be sending you the answers in the form of PDF. Thank you.